Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So still a little bit overextended, and we were waiting for a pullback. Very slow price action yesterday. We have pulled back with 1 8-hour bar and sort of just hovering here with an inside bar, what it looks like forming. So remember, V reversals are rare, so you would expect a pullback onto structure before another attempt at these highs. We are battling with 4,300, and if you just look at the oscillators here, we are grouped together and sort of crossing over. It obviously needs to drop below the 80 line here before that becomes of any relevance to us. And at the moment, what I do want to do is just look left to see if we do have some structure here. We have a little bit, but it's more, I would argue, down there than where price is at the moment. There is a tail there, but it's a one tail wonder. If you look at that, down here you've got a little bit more structure, so you've basically got two attempts at that. And we just head a little bit to the left, you can see quite a bit of structure just above us, so we might as well just put that in as well. See there. And if you keep going left, you will see how these levels line up. So the one that we're at now is actually starts to become a lot more relevant. As further left we go, as you can see, there's more touches at it, and then there's even more touches at it. So, and even more. So clearly not a one-hit wonder. Anyway, that is the zone that we're in. It is a very strong zone of potential support. So if you start breaking down through the time frames, have a look at the oscillators here on the 3 hour. So typical Monday price action, basically. You can see rejection, 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 and then we sort of fell off, closed the gap, which we needed to do, and now we need to just wait for the structure before continuing on our journey. Last thing that you do need to put in here, or not put in, just take note of this. So there is, so if you look here, you can see that is the first trend line. Okay, a bit messy, but that was the first trend line. We broke below it, and now we are testing it. Okay, so that is what's happening there. But then if you look at this way, you know, that is the broader trend line at the moment. Anyway, if we pop down to the hour, you will see a grouping of the oscillators quite nicely. We do have a little bit of, I'm just going to put this level in here because obviously there was something of interest here on Friday because we sold off there and then broke through it. So that's kind of the view where we're at the moment. So for me, this is the zone we need to be paying attention to, 42.68 and 42.61. Anything in between there, we're looking for price action to actually indicate that we need to start buying. 15-minute doesn't really give us much. There was nothing, there was no opportunities really for moves to the upside yesterday, and obviously you want to be going with the trend. We're now in amongst the moving averages, so be careful, be very careful, but I still think the trend is up. So, you know, it might be a deeper pullback than where we are now, so that's what you need to be careful about, but onwards and upwards it is. So either here, if this breaks through, then we're looking for a deeper move lower down. But yeah, typical Monday price action, that's all I can say. There are still buyers coming in at the close as well. So that's what we're looking for, 42.68 or 42.61, and then the third variance of what a long setup would be a break of 42.78 and a pullback. Obviously you're going to do that on your 15-minute chart. So break above here, pull back, test it, and we get going again. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. Don't forget to pop us a thumbs up down there, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.